Hey Facebook, YouTube, I just want to do a quick video of this 2019 Ram. It's the new body style. We've got a body that works with that. We're able to retain all the factory blind spot sensors. The lane changing radar is all on this truck. We've got all that on there. You can retain and use the factory camera that's up in the third brake light, the cargo light. Relocate the tailgate camera, reuse that as well. The backup sensors across the back, those are reinstalled and they all work. There's also an option now for the blind spot radar there on each side. The bumper, we can retain all that. This 2019 RAM Longhorn also has the factory air assist bags on it from the factory. You can see them there. That'll work with our body as well. We're able to retain the factory compressor. And we've also tied that into the TSLB airbag hitch, so that hitch is able to be aired up. It's tied into the factory air compressor system for the suspension, so you can get in there and air it up or air it down on the fly. You don't need to stop anywhere and manually add air or make adjustments while you're out on the road, no problem. This is an elite body. It's got the stainless trim on the tailgate, stainless trim, painted rear bumper, polished fender flares. Pretty standard elite build for the most part. These new Rams are pretty amazing inside. If you haven't seen what they've changed in the dash, but the screen is absolutely massive in this truck. Start it up here. The gauges, they've updated those as well. Pretty impressive. Put it in reverse here. There's the camera up there in the third brake light. That's what that vantage point looks like. That's looking from the one above the bumper there that was in the tailgate. So if you're thinking about getting a new Ram and how it would work with our body, we can definitely do that for you. So just give me a call or email me today.